Hi children, let's go for the next question, question number 2 of exercise 2.2. Read question once again. If the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154, so perimeter of rectangular swimming pool, right? I am writing in a short. So that is 2 in a bracket L plus B, perimeter of rectangle. See children, I have written in short, you should write the complete sentence. So now here that perimeter is given. So this is perimeter. Below that we will write perimeter. Understand that. If the length is 2 meter more than twice is the breadth. So let B is equal to X. The length is what? 2 meter more. Length is 2 meter more than twice is the breadth. More means plus. And twice, that is 2x. Understand? So this is breadth and this is the length. After understanding this, we will substitute over here. B is what? 2 plus 2x. And breadth is what? X. And you must have learned like terms and all, right? So here that knowledge will help you to solve the sums. So here 154, first solve this bracket. So what we are getting? 2x plus 3x, we are the like terms. So that is 3x. Now see here there are two ways. We can multiply this whole bracket by 2, or these 2 can go to division, okay, as it is in multiplication with the bracket, so you can go to division. So let us do that. 154 by 2, right? This is multiplication with the bracket. So what is left over here? 2 plus 3x. So here 2 sevens are and 2 sevens are 54. So what we are getting? 77 is equal to 2 plus 3x. Now whenever we have variable to the left hand side, understand children, last time also we have discussed, the whole RHS will write to LHS and whole LHS to RHS without changing any sign. So 3x is equal to 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. See, we can do directly, but this is the initial stage, so that we will do this way. Otherwise, we can do directly. So 3x is equal to, this is plus 2. So when it goes over here, it becomes minus 2. That is what? 75. So x is equal to 75. This is in multiplication, goes to division. So what we are getting? 25. So that means B is equal to, so B is what? X. So that is 25. Unit if it is given, we should write it. So unit is given meter, right? And the length is equal to what? 2 into 2x. So 2 into 25. So that is what? 52 meter. Always write the answer line once your sum over. Main thing is what? How to frame your equation. That is very important. See here, perimeter of rectangle, that is given 154. So below that we will write 154. And it is given that breadth is x and length is 2 more. That means plus. Then the twice the width. So it's twice. So length becomes 2 plus 2x. Then substitute the L as well as B. Right, and then solve this bracket. So 2, these two are like terms, so it becomes 2 plus 1, 3x. Here we can do two ways. We can multiply by 2 with the whole bracket, or this 2 is in multiplication with the bracket, so it goes to division. That way also is correct only. After that, see, directly we can do sum, but just for understanding, whenever variable is to the RHS, we'll shift the whole RHS and LHS. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. So 3x is equal to, this is a plus 2. When we transpose, it becomes minus 2 and we are getting 75. So x is equal to 75 by 3 as it is in multiplication. So it is 25. So that means b is equal to x. So 25 meter. If unit is given, we should write unit also in the answer. Then L is 2 plus 2x. So that comes to 52 meter, right? So keep practicing. God bless you.